Hello students, knowing our numbers, this topic, previous video we have learned formation of numbers. Now I write the number. How to read and write this number? In case of large numbers, 6 or more digits, to avoid confusion while reading and writing them, the number are separated into periods with the help of commas. There are two systems separating the numbers: Indian place value system and international place value system. Let us look at the Indian system of place value. The places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, arab, 10 arab. Starting from the right, the first period is ones, consisting of three place values: ones, tens, hundreds. The second period is thousands, consisting of two place values: thousands, 10,000s. The comma is placed between the two periods. The third period is lakhs, consisting of two place values: lakhs, 10 lakhs. The comma is placed between the two periods. The fourth period is crores, consisting of two place values: crores and 10 crores. The comma is placed between the two periods. The fifth period is Arabs, consisting of two place values: Arabs, 10 Arabs. The comma is placed between the two periods again. Now see, here I wrote a number 8922484938. Now this number separated by the periods. This number is separated by 4 periods: Arab, crores, lakhs, thousands. Now how to read the numbers? First you read the spelling of two digit 89. Then you read the periods. See, listen. 89 Arabs, 22 crores, 48 lakhs, 49 thousands, 385. Let us now turn our attention towards the international place value system. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Starting from the right, the first period is ones, consisting of the place values ones, tens, hundreds. The second period is thousands, consisting of three place values: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. The comma is placed between two periods. The third period is millions, consisting of three place values: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. The comma is placed between two periods again. The fourth period is billions, consisting of three place values: billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. The comma is placed between two periods. Students, see, I wrote here number 814678203542. Now, this number is separated by commas. I put the commas after every 3 digits. Now this number is separated by 3 periods: billions, million, thousand. Now how to read the number? First you read the 3-digit number 814. Then you read the periods. Now see, 814 billions, 678 millions, 203,542. Now let us see relationship between Indian and international place value chart. 10 crore is a 100 millions. 1 billion is a 1 Arab. 1 crore is a 10 millions. 10 lakh is a 1 millions. 1 lakh is a 100,000, etc. Now students, I explained the Indian and international place value system. Now we solve the examples. Write the following numbers in place value chart and read the numbers. First, I show you how to solve the example. The first example is, you write numbers starting from right side. 1, 4, 5, 2, 7, 6, 9, 7, 1. Now after we separated this number by periods. First in Indian system. Now the number is separated by 4 periods: crores, lakhs, thousands and ones. Now read the numbers: 17 crores, 96 lakhs, 72,541. Now this type you write the numbers in place value chart and read it. Next, international place value chart. Write the following numbers in place value chart and read the numbers. Now I show you one example to you how to solve. The first number, you are coming in the right hand side. 1, 6, 8, 1, 4, 2, 3, 0, 5. Now this number is separated by periods. In international system, every 3 digit you put a comma. The numbers are separated by 3 periods: millions, thousands and ones. Now you read the number: 503 millions, 241,861. This type you write the numbers in a place value chart and read the numbers and practice it. Now in this topic, what we learn? First one, Indian place value system. Indian place value systems are, the places are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores, Arab, 10 Arab. The Indian systems are 5 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores and Arab. In international system, places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. And periods are 4. Ones, thousands, million and billions. The relationship between Indian and international system are 1 crore, 10 millions, 1 lakh, 100,000, 10 lakh, 1 million, etc. Now students, I give you homework. Solve this homework and practice it. Now students, don't go out. Staying home saves life.